Do you know that there's still a booming economy despite the crisis in the world? It's the digital economy. Now that we see how the whole society collapses and people become unemployed in millions, e-commerce is actually increasing at a record speed. Hi, my name is Erika Lindström, and I want to try to help you find a way out of this economic crisis. Just over 2 years ago, I was in a completely different situation than the one currently going on, but it was still a crisis in my life. I had just resigned from my then job as a store manager after being burnt out, and my side company had also gone bankrupt. I was for sure deeply depressed, and I had absolutely no confidence. And yet I knew I had to support myself. After a little research, I found an online education that taught me step by step how to start my own business and earning an income from the internet. I choose to learn how to become a high-ticket affiliate, which really means that I promote other companies' products that I really stand for and think are good. And for that, I get commission from these companies. Other good business ideas are to import and sell your own products, for example, Amazon, or you can use your knowledge to become a coach. Or why don't you create your own online course that is fully automated and gives you an income around the clock? You don't even have to hold it live, you can pre-record it. These are just a few examples of what you can do to quickly make your own money online. If you want to know more about how to get started, which products are the best, how to do them, you need to do 2 things. 1. Click the link around this video and fill in your first name and your email address. Then I will send you some great videos on what opportunities there are out there and how to get started. 2. As soon as you fill in your email address, you will have access to a great webinar where my mentor Stuart, who helped me where I am now, he will show you exactly everything you need to know in order to make a decision about if this is the right path for you. I offer this webinar to you for free, but then I want you to really take the time and listen and take notes for 1 hour. In 2 years, I have replaced my previous salary, and I work from home now and only part-time with this. And now I want to pay back and help as many people as I can to see that there are still ways out. The current situation is serious, and I wonder, what is your plan B? Give us an hour of your valuable time and find out if this is the right solution for you. Click the link now, and I see you on the other side.